How to delete Uber Eats order history. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about deleting the Uber Eats order history. So Uber Eats saves your order history to give you better and more personal experience, and you cannot delete the individual past orders, but your history helps Uber improve its service and assist you when you need help. So if you have privacy questions or concerns, the Uber support team is available to help. If you want to completely start over, you can delete your Uber account, which will also remove your order history. What you can do is you can archive or hide orders. Uber Eats does not allow you to archive or hide past orders in the app. So if you're worried about privacy, simply contact the Uber support to ask if they can remove specific information. However, your order history usually stays in your account. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.